Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into video 466. Symptoms of a bad water pump in 2025. If you're a car owner, you know how crucial it is to keep your engine cool, especially with the latest vehicles packed with advanced tech. The water pump is like the heart of your car's cooling system, circulating coolant to prevent overheating. But when it starts failing, it can lead to some serious issues. Let's break this down step by step so you can spot the signs early and avoid a breakdown. First off, what exactly is a water pump? In modern cars, like those from 2025 models, it's a vital component driven by the engine's belt or sometimes electrically, pushing coolant through the radiator and engine block. If it's going bad, your car will send you signals. One of the most common symptoms is engine overheating. You might notice your temperature gauge spiking, even on a short drive. This happens because the pump isn't circulating coolant effectively, allowing the engine to get too hot. Another telltale sign is coolant leaks. Check under your car for puddles of greenish or orange fluid. That's probably coolant escaping from a faulty pump seal. You might also hear unusual noises, like a whining or grinding sound coming from the front of the engine. That's often the pump's bearings wearing out. In 2025 models with hybrid systems, you could experience inconsistent heater performance. Your cabin might not warm up properly because the coolant flow is disrupted. Don't overlook visual cues, either. Look for corrosion or rust around the water pump area, which indicates it's been leaking for a while. And if you see steam billowing from under the hood, that's a red flag for overheating caused by pump failure. According to recent auto reports, ignoring these symptoms can lead to engine damage costing thousands to repair. So, what should you do? If you spot any of these signs, get it checked by a mechanic right away. Regular maintenance, like inspecting belts and fluids every 6 months, can help prevent issues. Remember, catching a bad water pump early could save you a lot of hassle. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more car tips, and let me know in the comments if you've dealt with this before. Drive safe.